everyone. Let's quickly solve this problem on trigonometry. Given that cos A equals 2 over 13 for values of A lying between 0 and 90 degrees, find tan A. The options are here. Solution. Now, from the question, we have idea that the angle lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Let us quickly sketch our quadrants, okay? This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. The angle lies on the first quadrant. So we quickly do this sketch. Here is angle 90 degrees. Okay. This side is the opposite. And this side is the hypotenuse, the longest side. And this side, of course, is the adjacent. Okay. Now, cos A equals 12 over 13. Whenever you see a question like this, two things will come to your mind. One is this ratio, so 2, okay? It's the ratio, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan equals opposite of adjacent, all right? So now, cos A equals 12 over 13. Of course, this side is 13. Cos here is adjacent of hypotenuse. Adjacent. This is adjacent over hypotenuse. That is, this side is 12. And we need to know the side or the length of the opposite. Okay, so we need to determine it. Now, again, we are dealing with a right angle here. So, there's a rule we call Pythagoras rule. Pythagoras rule states that in a right angle triangle, as you can see, this is a right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the opposite and the adjacent. So h square is equal to O square. H stands for hypotenuse, O stands for opposite. Okay, so h square is equal to O square plus A square. A stands for adjacent. So we are trying to determine the value of the opposite, okay, so that we can now proceed and get the size of angle A. So opposite square, O square is equal to h square minus A square. And from the question, h square is 13, hypotenuse is 13, 13 square minus A square, adjacent square is 12, 12 square. So that O square, that is opposite square, is equal to the square root of 13 is 169 minus the square of 12, 144. O square is equal to the square root of 169 minus 144, obviously is 25, so that O will now be 5, okay? So opposite is now 5. We come back to the ratio. We are asked to determine tan A. Tan A, the length of the three sides of this scaling triangle is now known. Hypotenuse is 13, adjacent is 12, and the opposite is 5. So which of the ratios are we going to use now? Tan A, we'll come to this one. Tan A. So tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. And from here, which side is the opposite? 5. 5 over adjacent, 12. I think the right option is A, 5 over 12. Bye.